Welcome back. Gardening on the West Coast. Used to be California gardener. This is my host Sierra, and today I just want to give you a little tip. It's Canada Day, and we're not letting any of our squash go to waste. So this year, these are what you call the female blossoms. There'll be a blossom attached to a zucchini. Blossom zucchini. Well, guess what? These ones are not going to mature and develop. You know why? And those are some nasturtium flowers. You can eat those. They're edible flowers for a salad. We picked these because we know they're not going to mature. Now, there is a random chance that they could possibly mature. If someone has a mature squash in the area and a bee happened to go there first and then come here. But if you look at my squash, they don't have any male flowers yet, which is really kind of odd. Usually I notice there's male flowers a few days before the female ones get ready. So, but this one is sending out lots. This is another one that was a female flower that had a zucchini. These are the male flowers, okay? See, they have a long stalk and no zucchini below it. The female flowers are closer to the base of the plant, have a zucchini and a flower. And if the male flowers are open, you know that a bee or a bug probably went from a male flower to a female flower, and that will turn into a mature zucchini. If I leave this on here, it will just rot away. It'll shrivel up and rot, and you'll wonder what went on. Well, that's why. Now you can help the process by, when a male blossom blooms, break off the petals, get the center part that has the pollen. And then you take that around, and I just go inside the petals. It's early in the morning when they open up, and just brush it around inside the female flower to pollinate them, and then it'll turn into a mature zucchini. But right now, while I'm still waiting, you know, it looks like I'm maybe a day or two away from having an open male flower right there. That one's probably a couple days away. And then they'll all start going off. And this plant will continue to put out female flowers until those are also going. So once, now you see like this plant right here, it's got big male flowers and little tiny female flowers. Here's a go, big male flowers. This one might go off in the next day or two, maybe tomorrow. And that one, maybe in a couple days after. So that's how usually it is. The male flowers get ready first, and then a day or two later, or a few days later, the female flowers start blooming. But for some reason this year, I have multiple plants, even my yellow crookneck ones, that are blooming like crazy. But lots of females getting ready, but no males have opened up yet. So I'll be picking those ones off too while I wait for a male flower. And it doesn't matter which squash, any kind of squash, as soon as there was male flowers on that one, you can pollinate any of your squash with that male flower. So don't keep pulling the females off just because there isn't any other blossoms on that one plant. You don't need that one plant. You just need any squash in the area, and it'll help pollinate your zucchini or other squash, winter, summer, whatever. Okay, so that's it. We'll make a salad with them, and when these guys are getting mature, like maturely pollinated from the male flowers, then that's when we can leave them and they'll turn into big zucchini. But for now, just go out and check your zucchini. If they're blossoming, no male flowers, pick the little zucchinis, eat the blossoms, and eat the little zucchini. They're great. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy the view, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos, the notification bell will really help you out. See you later.